If your PowerPoint screen recording is not working on Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly. This is a common issue, and in many cases it's caused by a temporary glitch, a graphics setting, or missing permissions on your computer. So if you've been trying to record your screen in PowerPoint and nothing is happening, or the recording tool keeps failing, keep watching. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. First, let's try the quickest fix, restarting PowerPoint and your PC. Close PowerPoint completely, make sure it is not running in the background, and then restart your computer. This helps clear out temporary bugs that may be stopping the screen recorder from working properly. Once your PC starts back up, open PowerPoint again and test the screen recording feature. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is hardware acceleration. Sometimes PowerPoint can have trouble with graphics processing, and turning this feature off can help. To do that, open PowerPoint, click File, then Options, and then select Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Display section. Here, look for the option that says Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. If it is enabled, uncheck it, then click OK to save your changes. After that, restart PowerPoint and try recording your screen again. This fix often helps when the recording window won't open correctly or when PowerPoint becomes unresponsive during capture. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to check your microphone permissions in Windows 10. Even if you are only recording your screen, PowerPoint may still need certain permissions to work correctly, especially if you are recording audio along with the video. To do this, open Windows Settings, go to Privacy, and then click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on for apps. If access is off, turn it on and then go back to PowerPoint and test the screen recording tool again. Sometimes Windows privacy settings can block features that PowerPoint needs in order to record smoothly. If one fix doesn't solve the problem, move on to the next, because these settings often work together. Restarting the computer clears temporary issues, hardware acceleration fixes graphics conflicts, and permissions make sure PowerPoint can access what it needs. In most cases, one of these steps will get your screen recording working again without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So to quickly recap, restart PowerPoint and your PC first, then disable hardware graphics acceleration in PowerPoint, and finally check your microphone permissions in Windows 10. These are the most effective basic fixes for screen recording errors in PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Windows and PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.